Welcome to the Mime game. This is a fun and engaging activity designed to promote teamwork, empathy, and trust. Through this game, you'll experience what it's like to rely on others and how we all contribute uniquely to a team. Here's how it works. First, divide the class into groups of 3. Each participant will take on one of 3 roles. 1. The blind. They'll wear a blindfold and rely solely on their teammates for guidance. 2. The lame. They'll sit in a chair and can only give verbal instructions. 3. The dumb. They can see everything but can't speak. They'll communicate using gestures. Before we begin, set up a safe area with enough space between groups. Place items like cones, tennis balls, or small toys on the ground. Make sure all teams have the same number of items and distances. The goal is for the blind team member to collect all the items placed in their area. Here's how the teamwork happens. The dumb uses gestures to show the lame where the items are. The lame gives verbal directions to guide the blind. The blind listens and follows the instructions to find and pick up the items. Once a group collects all their items, the roles switch. This way, everyone experiences being blind, lame, and dumb. Take your time and work together. It's not a race, but a journey of understanding and collaboration. After everyone has tried all 3 roles, we'll reflect together. Here are some questions to think about. Which role did you feel most comfortable in? Why? Which role was the hardest? How did it feel to rely on others? Did this activity change how you think about teamwork or people with different abilities? The Mime game isn't just about having fun. It's about learning to empathize, trust, and appreciate each other's strengths and differences. Thank you for playing, and remember, together we're stronger.